Hi guys, welcome back to AK Trader. This is Ajay Kumar again. Today I am going to explain about supertrend. What you are getting on the screen, that will be supertrend. It will be one of the technical indicator. We can use this technical indicator for buy and sell of the particular stocks. Without wasting time, just enter the topic so that I can explain what is supertrend called, how it look like, and how we can trade using this technical indicator. Go to the application. You can see here there are many stocks are there. Just take any one chart, okay, MFSL. Go to the super trend, okay, type super trend. So click on that and you will get this green color signals and this red color signal. I will explain this, what is the difference between this green and red. So before that, just double click on this. You can see here there is a period 7 and multiplier is 3 and uptrend in green color and downtrend in a red color. So don't bother about all those things. I will explain the formula how these periods and multipliers are used in a calculation of super trend. So there is a formula, so you can use that formula. In that we are using these numbers, okay. So just keep this as a default setting. You can change this like 10 or 11 like this, but it will be depend on the experience. You have to trial and error the signal, then only you can use one particular periods and multiplier numbers. I have back tested it for the last 3 months. It has given a good signals in these numbers, okay. Now go to the presentation. So the formula behind this super trend calculation is this one. It is calculating like this, okay. It is calculating using this formula. Up is equal to high plus low divided by 2 plus multiplier into ATR, and down, this up is buy signal, this green signal, this down is red signal, this one red color signal. So it is calculating using this formula, high plus low divided by 2 minus multiplier into ATR. Again this multiplier is just calculating using another formula, that will be periods into some values, okay. You don't need to much bother about this formula because you don't need to calculating all these things, okay, because they have already calculated and they updated in a application. You can see here, just go to the studies again, click on super trend. So you are getting this one. Just learn how to use this super trend in trading. So that is important here. So now I will explain what is this red color signal called, this one, and what is this green color signal called. Basically, as I said, this green color signal is a buy trend, red color signal is a sell trend. This is the meaning of this green color and this red color signals, okay. And now how to trade using these signals, that is the question mark, right? I will explain that. Whenever it is showing a signal, just buy that particular stock. So today I am only explaining how we are using the super trend, but sometimes this particular super trend has given a false signal, okay. For that one we have to add some other indicator to improve the accuracy. So that I will explain in the coming videos. That will be combo of some other indicators along with this super trend. Today only I am explaining how we can use this particular indicator, that will be super trend. Whenever it is showing an buy signal here, you have to buy the stock, and you can see here whenever it is showing a sell signal here, you have to sell the stocks. But sometimes what happen, after providing a signal, you can see in this particular situation the market is reversed, right? So this will be false signal. For reducing this one, what we will do, we will add some other indicators like RSI, stochastic momentum indicator, and MACD, moving average, convergence and divergence. That I have already explained in the previous video. You can just watch out that video. Check with some other examples. So you can see here there is a buy signal, right? After that market went boom. So you can book up to 2 to 3%. Similarly, you can see here there is a sell trend, right? So once this indicator shows a signals it is coming down, you can see here. But you see here there is a buy trend, but after that market is coming down. So the first important thing you have to learn in this super trend indicator, this is a trend following indicator. Basically what happened, this Nifty 50, if it is a uptrend, obviously the stocks also in a uptrend, means that will be one thumb rule, like 50% confirmation. On that time you have to wait for the buy signals, don't go for the sell signal. That will be one criteria to reduce the risk. Okay, you can see here there is a sell signal, but there is a volatility and it is coming down. You can see here there is a buy trend and market is going till up to here, but there is a volatility is there, right? You can see here this one, and you can see here how beautifully after the super trend you can see till up to here market came down, right? So you can book somewhere here, right? Similarly here market as showing a buy signal, you can see till up to here it went. So like this, but the only thing is this is only a 40 to 50% confirmation. It is not 100% accuracy indicator, because any indicator if you are using alone, it is not giving a 100% accuracy. You have to add some other indicators to increase the accuracy. So along with this super trend, the best indicator is MACD and RSI and stochastic momentum indicator. Whenever this MACD and stochastic momentum indicator are showing a signal along with the super trend, that will be a good confirmation. Okay, then you can take a position. So that I will explain in a next video, how we can use a super trend and MACD and stochastic momentum indicator. So that will be combo of these three. So that I will explain in the next video. Okay, thank you guys. This is regarding a super trend indicators. So if you are liking this video, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you can't miss my any of the upcoming videos what I will upload, that you will get in a notification.